No barbecue, no problem. This is a perfect sheet pan recipe, especially for the winter months. Ground chicken is delicately spiced, spread out onto a sheet pan, divided, and then baked. Start with 2 pounds of ground chicken. This is dark meat ground chicken, so it has more fat in it to make it delicious. Add salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of black fresh pepper, 2 tablespoons of 7 spice powder, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of dried mint, 2 tablespoons of finely diced garlic, a quarter cup of finely diced onion, 1 tablespoon of sliced green chili, half a cup of parsley, and the juice of half a lemon. And mix this well together. I'm now going to transfer this to my greased sheet or cookie pan. Place it in the center and flatten it, moving outwards. Make sure you have a few inches on either side. Using a flat tool like a bench scraper, just tidy up the sides so you have straight lines. Now you can totally eyeball this, but I like to use a ruler to mark the kebabs so they're even. After you've marked everything vertically, just lightly score them horizontally. This mimics the grill marks, but it'll also help cook the kebabs. Now work on the horizontal lines and just push them out a little bit so there's space in between the kebabs so you get some nice browning on all sides. Once this is ready, transfer it to a preheated oven at 300 degrees for 30 to 45 minutes. I like to finish off with a few minutes in the broiler. I didn't flip mine over, but you can if you want to. Just be very careful. Make sure to use 2 spatulas and gently turn it over. Also, make sure that the meat is sturdy enough to flip. This is great in a lettuce wrap or some Arabic pita. Enjoy.